बार बार हम लोग वार्ड ऑफिस में जाते हो और इनके ज्वाइन एक मीटिंग लगाओ, क्योंकि ये भूमिगत मेट्रो है। ये भूमिगत मेट्रो का जो परिणाम होगा ये लोगों के ऊपर होगा, आजू बाजू के परिसर में होगा। ये 5 साल से विषय है, 5-6 साल हो गया हम बार बार यहाँ पे पानी भर रहा है, बार बार यहाँ पे लोगों के घर में पानी जा रहा है, 4-4 फुट 5-5 फुट घर में पानी जा रहा है। मेट्रो का काम अभी तक पूरा नहीं हुआ है, ऊपर का सब काम जो है वाटर प्रूफिंग वगैरह जो बाकी है।
Moving on, Mumbai witnessed a dramatic start to the monsoon season with torrential rains hitting the city on May 26, the earliest onset since 1952. Now, the downpour triggered severe waterlogging and disrupted daily life with over 200 millimeter of rainfall recorded on the first day alone. Now, the Indian Meteorological Department initially issued a red alert but has now downgraded it to a yellow alert. However, authorities warn that saturated roads and heavy traffic remain a concern. Now, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde attributed the flooding to the early arrival of the southwest monsoon and unusually intense rainfall. Meanwhile, the opposition leaders blamed the state government for poor preparedness, and Shiv Sena UBT leader Aditya Thackeray fiercely criticized the ruling government and the BMC.
मुंबई की एक्वालाइन मेट्रो स्टेशन का एक वीडियो वायरल हुआ था, जिसमें वर्ली स्टेशन के पास में जो है पूरा बरसात का पानी जो है अंदर चला गया था, जिसके कारण जो है फिलहाल एक्वालाइन ट्रेन जो है वो बंद कर दी गई है। यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है, वो लोगों को कह रहे हैं कि एक्वालाइन ट्रेन जो है जो JVLR से लेकर आचार्य अत्रे चौक तक चलती है वो बंद कर दी गई है। यहाँ पर मुंबई पुलिस की टीम भी जो है वहाँ पर पहुँची। आप देखिए कि यहाँ पर जो है शटर बंद कर दिया गया है और कहा गया है कि ये ट्रेन जो है बंद कर दी गई है, क्योंकि पानी भरने के कारण जो है ये पूरी जो प्लेटफॉर्म पे पानी भरने के कारण जो है मेट्रो लाइन को बंद कर दिया गया है। तो क्यों बंद कर दी गई है ट्रेन, क्या कारण है, मेट्रो क्यों बंद कर दी गई है, मेट्रो में क्या हुआ था?
मैं अभी हम लोग टीवी चैनल देखे, आपका 18 देखा, बहुत सारे चैनल देखे थे, तो बता रहा है कि ऊपर से पानी पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर पानी आ रहा, पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म भर गया है और उन्होंने शटर डाउन किया है और मेरे ख्याल से मेट्रो भी बंद करके रखा। इन लोग अंदर जाने नहीं दे रहे हम लोग को। वही समझ में आ रहा है कि इतना इन लोग इतना पैसा खर्चा करके ये क्या बना रहे इन लोग।
अभी मेरे को आरे में जाने का था मेट्रो से, कि पानी भरने से वजह से बंद हुआ है। तो अभी कैसा जाए वही, नहीं तो ये अच्छा, ये मेट्रो अभी नया अच्छा बनाया था शॉर्टकट, नहीं तो उधर जाने के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था हमको, वर्ली वाले को। इधर से दादर जाओ, दादर से फिर बोरेगा जाओ, वापस उधर से बस पकड़ो आरे के लिए। अभी ये मेट्रो अच्छा हुआ था चालू, लेकिन बारिश की वजह से हो गया है, तो नेचुरल की वजह से कुछ बोल नहीं सकता।
With heavy rains having lashed the city of Mumbai, we are here at Kurla. In fact, there is waterlogging being reported at several locations across the city, including at Kurla, at Sion, at Hindmata. Also, some places in the town area are also experiencing waterlogging, including that at Mantralay. In fact, right here at Kurla, we could see how the entire area is stopped for smaller vehicles. Some of the smaller vehicles here are experiencing difficulty to meander through this very route because of the waterlogging problem right here. In fact, this area has been kept out of bounds for smaller vehicles, and which is where there are several big pumps that have also been installed here to get the water out from here. In fact, this is very close to the high tide that has been predicted for right now. IMD has also changed the alert. For today, there was a yellow alert. However, now IMD has issued heavy spells of intense rain that's being expected in the city of Mumbai as well as areas around. In fact, right from Solapur and Baramati, they're witnessing heavy floods. Several low-lying areas in Mumbai are also having the waterlogging issue. But the most affected are places around Solapur, Sangli. Right now, situation in Kolhapur and Ratnagiri is under control. But like you see, some low-lying areas in Mumbai, which were fine until this morning, have now started witnessing waterlogging because the rain spells have increased. It is close to the high tide right now, and which is where with the issue, with the red alert being issued for the city of Mumbai, is where we could possibly witness more rains and such waterlogging situation prevail.
Meetings that the BMC has had. Any result? No. What we're seeing today is the road scam that I was exposing of Eknath Shinde for the last 2 years. Today you see the entire Mumbai is dug up and in a terrible situation. People are stuck on the road. Water is logged. You see the drains are not clean. You see this Hind Mata, which we had done flood free 2 years ago. Today it's flooded. Why? Because whatever was supposed to happen in April has not happened. The pumps have been taken away. Now they're trying to pump it out after the monsoon has receded, after the rains today have receded. Today we see that the BJP has failed Mumbai. Corruption has failed Mumbai. In the past 3 years, we've seen the loot of Mumbai and nobody serving Mumbai.
Of course, we see the metro thing was recently inaugurated has also shut. You took a stock of situation there. What's the situation like over there?
I was there right now. Apparently a wall has collapsed. Stormwater drain and a gutter line has broken there. The problem is this metro station was inaugurated just 2 weeks ago. And if this is the situation of the metro, we need to actually have a free and fair judicial inquiry into the quality of the metro works now and why it was inaugurated so soon. Because this is a threat to the life of Mumbaikars.
Lastly, of course, on that, Eknath Shinde has gone ahead and said that rains had come in early. They were not
See,
prepared for.
he is an outright liar, which is why he had to run away to Surat and Guwahati. I don't reply to liars, but we can see that he has filled his pockets with the money that has come out from the BMC.
बार बार कहते आए हम जो लोक प्रतिनिधि है ये हम बार बार हम लोग वार्ड ऑफिस में जाते हो और इनके ज्वाइन एक मीटिंग लगाओ क्योंकि ये भूमिगत मेट्रो है। ये भूमिगत मेट्रो का जो परिणाम होगा ये लोगों के ऊपर होगा, आजू बाजू के परिसर में होगा। ये 5 साल से विषय है, 5-6 साल हो गया हम बार बार यहाँ पे पानी भर रहा है, बार बार यहाँ पे लोगों के